I'm in West Park at the Avery. No idea what's going on. Is it mating season? My God, these budgies are making a lot of noise. Now the peacock's at it. God blimey. I don't know if it's mating season, but my God, these parrots are really making a lot of noise. Not very active though. Unless they don't like me invading the space. Warning. These animals may bite. You wouldn't bite me, would you, fella? You came to show off, didn't you? You come to see me. Afternoon, ladies. How are you doing? You come to see me as well? Hello, big fella in the tree. Are you still sulking? Hmm? Come and say hello. How are you doing then? I'm going back this way. Come on then. Come on, follow me. Come on then. Come on then. There we go. Come on, follow me. There. Gosh, you're more trained than Phoebe ever was. Hello there, how are you doing? Oh, is it them noisy parrots again? Oh my word. What's up with you lot? Huh? Huh? You noisy so-and-sos? Huh? Oh, they got all quiet now. Huh? I'll go talk to this chap here. How are you doing then? You alright? Huh? Oh. Hello? Hello? How are you doing? Are you there? Well, come on then. Say something. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Bit miserable out, isn't it? Have you got some nice food indoors? I appreciate you coming out to say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. God, aren't you posh? Eh?
Hello.
Hello. You speak with an Eton accent, not Hull.
Hello.
Hello. Well, who's having an easy life? Huh? Snug as a bug there, aren't you? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Go back to sleep.